Good morning, Center County. I'm student meteorologist Ben Davenport. Hope you're having a great start to your Wednesday. If we take a look outside here at the Beaver Stadium can, it is an amazing start to the day. Lots of sunshine, very little clouds, just some pop-up cumulus clouds here on the satellite cam here. And if we take a look at those temperatures, pretty good, sitting in those lower 40s. However, it is about 10 to 12 degrees cooler than it was yesterday. So it is feeling like it is into those upper 30s. And a lot of my friends have been asking, why was it in the 60s and 70s last 2 days, and now it is into the 30s and 40s? Well, the culprit here is that northwest wind, which has been coming in pretty steadily over the last 24 hours at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. We even had gusts yesterday up into the 20 to 25 miles per hour. So that northwest wind coming out of Canada, a lot cooler air working its way into our region. And you can see that here on our temperatures across much of the Center County and Center Pennsylvania area, sitting only in those 40s mainly throughout this region. And you can see these little wind barbs coming, or not barbs, but wind arrows coming down out of the northwest, so bringing that cooler air. And if I step out only to the south and east in Harrisburg, is it into the 50s, where that northwest wind has had less of a play. If we take a zoomed out look at the rest of the state of Pennsylvania, you can see those 50s temperatures are in the south and east, whereas much of the rest of the state is in those middle 40s to even 30s up into Franklin and Bradford. So it is a chilly start to your day, not as warm as yesterday, but it is going to be looking up as temperatures will get back into those 50s this afternoon. If we take a look at that radar and satellite, just some showers kind of lingering around here in the northeast in the Scranton, Williamsport area. However, mainly clear and mainly cloudless throughout much of the region. You do see some clouds lingering around in the Erie and Bradford region, although it is going to be a mainly clear day throughout much of the state. No real precipitation is in the forecast. And if we take a little more zoomed out look at the rest of the region, kind of see what's going on across much of the country. Here we're going to have some high pressure sitting in today that's going to allow us to have mostly cloudy or mostly sunny skies and a little cloudless day. However, if we take out to the Midwest, there's a rather impressive low pressure system working its way up into the Dakotas, Iowa, and Minnesota. And you can even see some heavy rain, freezing rain working its way into northern Iowa, whereas some blizzard type conditions into the Dakotas and Minnesota. So definitely a lot better weather conditions here at home. And if I take a step off screen as well, you can see up into the north and east, that system that was affecting us over the last couple days, especially in the eastern portions of the state, is bringing some snow into Maine. But as we take a look back here in State College today, sitting in those 50s, going to get some sunshine out there today, definitely. However, it will not be as warm as it has been over the last couple days with that northwest wind coming out with 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then for your night tonight, again, it is going to be chilly. If you were out there last night, you knew it was a little cooler than it had been over the last couple nights. We are going to be sitting in those middle 30s with mostly cloudy skies, but a north-northeast wind will be keeping things not as cool as they have been compared to last night. And if we take an even further look at tomorrow, again, temperatures rather the same in those middle 50s. Mostly cloudy, though, some clouds working in because we are going to be talking about some weekend weather coming up, and usually we get some clouds ahead of those fronts that come in with an east wind of 5 to 10 miles per hour. Here's your futurecast, kind of looking at what's going to be going on with precip and clouds moving forward. So we'll take this in, zoomed into kind of a little mid-Atlantic view here. This is our GFS model, one of the models we like to use. And so this is at 9 a.m. on Friday. You can see most of the rain contained west of us. However, clouds have overreached much of the region. And then as we put this into motion, it is going to be moving from west east throughout the day. Could be some heavy showers in there, even some rumbles of thunder possible, especially further south and east that you go. And this is by 9 p.m. on Friday. So it is blue-white weekend here at Penn State. There are going to be a lot of people going out. So definitely bring a jacket with you, especially if you don't want to be waiting in line, getting wet there if you're going out on your Friday evening. And if we put this in motion, we can kind of see by Saturday morning, tailgate time, people are starting to wake up. There are some clouds still lingering on the GFS model here, though. I think they're kind of overdoing it. Usually whenever we get some frontal passage, usually behind it, we do have some clearing. So it's maybe overdoing it cloud-wise. But again, there will be some mix of clouds and sun on Saturday. But again, mostly sunny and a nice day to get out there and watch some Penn State football once again. And then by Saturday evening, I mean, more clouds overreach the state. However, it is still going to be rather nice and no real precipitation to worry about. And then moving even further into Sunday, though, that is when the rain returns. And this time it's going to be lasting a lot longer than it will be on Friday evening. You can see much of the state kind of getting into this showery conditions by Sunday afternoon. And if we progress it even further, much of the state by Monday morning is still covered in rain, so not going to be the best day to get out on your Sunday. And then the Monday commute on Monday could be a little rough, especially if there are some lingering showers. But it is by Tuesday that much of this clears out and that sunshine does return. So if we summarize it coming up for you in our 7-day forecast, like we said, Wednesday and Thursday temperatures rather the same, although more sunnier today compared to Thursday. And then Friday, those showers do move in. Temperatures, though, increasing into those 60s. And again, like on Saturday, like I was saying, mostly sunny, some clouds sticking around, but again, warm into those 60s. And then Sunday and Monday, that is when that rain returns. Those temperatures go back to a little below average into those lower 50s. But on Tuesday, we do get that sun returning with temperatures up into the middle 50s. For Central County Report, I'm student meteorologist Ben Davenport. Have a great day.